Herrin, cabrón, what's up, dude?
When I first sat down for the meeting with Pat, Don, and Kerry, they asked how I thought my relationship as a teammate would be with Tony.
Oh no, no, it's a joke, it's a joke. No, I think he deserves more than anyone have this bike, have this team, and have this opportunity.
2 years ago, I would have said no way. Like it would have to be like full on, like wall up in the pits because I couldn't stand him. He couldn't stand me. I think we were fighting on the track, and I had an accident where I tucked the front and hit him, but I thought it was his fault as well. We kind of yelled at each other a little bit, and over the past year, I've kind of learned that he's exactly like me as a rider. We're both hotheads on the track. We're super competitive, and we don't like when we get beat.
Will be a tough rival. For what I see right now, we have the same feelings. We are looking for the same things. We are going in the same direction. That will make our bike stronger, and pushing each other, we will make our riding styles better.
The direction that we're going with the bike is exactly the same. Our feedback's exactly the same. It's going to be great. I think we're going to work really good together, have a lot of fun, get a little bit of Ricky Bobby kind of stuff going on here. I think that's the most important thing, is that we have fun. And he's really just like all of us, wants to outperform everybody and is willing to make crazy moves on the track. But that's what separates the men from the boys, is making big moves like that. So I respect it, and I'm pumped to have him as a teammate. Joining Yoshimura Suzuki it's going to be one of the coolest things I've done in my career. I think the GSX-R 1000 is an awesome bike. The thing is a rocket ship. The first test we did was like pulling my arms off, trying to hold on to it. So it's going to be nice to have that power for sure. I've grown a lot as a rider and proven that I'm ready for that factory spot. And I think now it's really just a turning point. It's something that I'm ready for. It took a long time for me to get here, but I think maybe like the saying, with age comes wisdom. I think I know a lot more now. I'm a lot smarter, and can really perform to my max.